Once upon a time in the late 19th century, in the quaint town of Sialkot, British India, a young mind began to blossom with dreams that would one day echo through the corridors of history. This is the story of Allama Iqbal, a poet, philosopher, and visionary whose journey from obscurity to greatness. In the dusty streets of Sialkot, young Iqbal displayed an insatiable thirst for knowledge, setting the stage for a journey that would transcend time. His early years were marked by curiosity and a keen awareness of the world around him. Little did the townsfolk know that within this unassuming boy.
As Iqbal grew, so did his passion for poetry and philosophy. The corridors of education took him from Government College in Lahore to the University of Cambridge, where he honed his intellect and refined his worldview. The experiences in these hallowed institutions were the crucible in which Iqbal's thoughts crystallized into the philosophy of Khudi, a concept that urged individuals to elevate themselves to unparalleled heights. Returning to his homeland, Iqbal became a voice for the voiceless, using his poetic prowess to articulate the aspirations of a nation under British rule. His verses echoed through the hearts of the masses, igniting the flames of independence. In our Rise to Greatness journey, we unravel the layers of Iqbal's poetry, exploring the profound messages hidden within. Each line becomes a stepping stone, urging us to look inward, embrace our unique potential, and strive for excellence. The story culminates in Iqbal's legacy, a legacy that transcends borders and resonates with those who dare to dream. His words, immortalized in the annals of history, continue to inspire generations to rise above challenges, discover their purpose, and contribute to a brighter future. Rise to Greatness is not just a story, it's a testament to the transformative power of determination, intellect, and the indomitable spirit of a man who dared to dream beyond the constraints of his time. Join us on this motivational odyssey as we navigate the labyrinth of Allama Iqbal's life, a journey that beckons us all to rise to our own greatness. For within the verses of Iqbal lies the melody of inspiration, urging us to write our own symphony of success.